Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your LL Bean Mastercard. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in activate.llbeanmastercard.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the registration or activation page for LL Bean Mastercard. In case you don't have your card already with you, then just click on I don't have my card on hand. If you do, just type in your card number and then click on the continue button. Then type in your name as it appears on the card, followed by your security code, and then type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now click on the verify button and your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your MasterCard with LL Bean. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.